Hello there, welcome back guys. Welcome back to a brand new video of Mighty Ghost Tech YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we will see the test file structure. What are the common syntax and way of writing the Cypress test file? So let's begin. Let me open the created test file which is under the integration, the first test spec file which we created in the earlier video. So let's look into its structure format. So first and foremost, we have the two options available. One is the described and another is the context. We will see both of them one by one. Let's first work with the describe. So describe function contains the two main arguments. First argument contains the general description. Here we can write anything like first description test, and another argument is like a callback function, and inside the callback function we are writing the test cases. Even before writing the test case, we have to write all those tests inside the another method which is known as a it method, and it is also contained the two different arguments. First it should be the description name and another is the callback function, and which we write the test cases inside of it. And this is the common way of structure to write the test cases. Now you can repeat the multiple test cases. Like first test we write, now I wanted to write a second test, then I can write the third test, and I can give the different name as well. Like this you can write a single test structure. And similar for the context, the argument is a similar. First you will write the second test context, and another argument is the callback function, and inside the callback function I can repeat the multiple test cases whichever I require. Now let's see how it's going to look into the Cypress Runner. So I already opened the Cypress Runner, which you can see, and it also listed the test file. Once I click on this, it will going to open the single browser, and the left side you will able to see the test cases which we writed are going to executed. But right now we didn't add any code, but at least it will going to list out the name. See, we can now compare this. So the first description test which is mentioned under the describe, and it contains the three different tests, first, second, third, and the second context is also the described similarly, and it also contains the first, second, and third test cases. Now also we can create a sub test cases, which is like, suppose I am going to copy this and going to paste over here, and like to give sub description test. Now again I am going to save, and now we can see that the first description test is contain the sub description test. So it is like a sum of the category. And also we have the another hook which is known as the before each. Also we can give the description like a login and the callback function which will contain the repeated code inside the before each, and this one is executed at every topmost of the test cases, and it should be separated for each of the describe functions. Like if I created this before each, then it will going to work for these test cases as well as this describe, but it will not going to work. Now suppose I am going to remove this from here. I am going to add inside the describe. Now in this case, this before each is going to work only for this describe, it will not going to work for these test cases. So this is what the similar structure we are going to follow for every test cases in the future. So right now I can consider that you understand the test structure, and we will see each of the scenario in upcoming video. Then alright guys, then I'm going to signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, bye.